Hi, it's Barbara Ireland. I am just at the tail end of a cough. I had amazing insight about physical illnesses like cough. But I'm going to focus on congestion or cough or cold or flu, viral things in this video. But honestly, this works for any kind of physical ailment. Speed up the process dramatically using spiritual means. And when I mean speed up the process, I mean speed up the healing process. My cough went away very quickly after I started doing. In the midst of my cough, I had a guide come in and start instructing me without telling me what was going on, and said, close your eyes. And I suggest if you have an ailment of whatever sort, go along with this as I talk about it. Close your eyes and focus in on your body. Where in your body do you feel the most extreme point of this physical ailment? So when I closed my eyes, I focused on my lungs, and I could sense that my left lung was completely clear. It was my right lung, and there was this band of congestion that went from really high down, and it was kind of just to the right of my heart, like a strip, and I could feel it. This guide said, now focus in. Is there a specific point, like a point where maybe the whole thing kind of grew from, like a seed of where the infection began? Okay, if I tuned in, I could find that little point. And then the guide said, focus on that point, and now realize that point is simply stuck energy. When you notice that it's stuck energy and that you tell it, okay, I'm ready to let you go, I felt this incredible wave of energy go up my body, which delighted and surprised me. And I did it again. I refocused on there and I said, you are stuck energy, and now I'm willing to let you go. And it did it again. I did a few of those. And I did this throughout the day and the next day. And lo and behold, this cough disappeared really, really quickly. Now, when I look at this from different angles, I thought what came to my mind visually was 9/11, the site of the Twin Towers. I know that, I hope this doesn't trigger other people. I know that was traumatic for so many, but this is what the image that came in your body. It's like you're the site of the Twin Towers, wherever you get an infection. And this airplane comes in, it goes bam, and it creates this huge explosion. Now there's screams and debris and dust and fire engines and sirens and people running and like total crazy, and like everything's worked up. That massive amount of energy just coalesced into that one area. If you were out in space, you would probably see this like crazy amount of energy, if you could detect energy, right? That just flew in there. Any kind of war zone, any kind of huge event has an enormous amount of energy that coagulates there. As the things started getting cleaned up, healing, debris taken away, the trauma started settling, the dust started settling, the sirens quit coming. As that happened, the whole thing started settling down in that area, and energy got to be dispersed again and go back out to whence it came. The same is in your body. You could say that seed of infection or whatever has happened in your body, you could say it's a virus. What the hell is a virus? It's not even a living thing, right? So what is that? I don't know. I mean, come on. It's not even alive. I don't know if viruses are programs or what the hell they are. But whatever that is, you could say it's a virus that got into my lung. Or you could say it was an emotion. Or it could have been, I'm an empath. It could have been a feeling of someone else's that got into me. Whatever it was, the fact is that seed is energy and it gets lodged somewhere. That seed is like the airplane that hit the towers. It explodes and it makes this big thing happen. So it's up to you to go in there and say, hey, energy that's all coagulated now in this one particular area, it's okay now to let go. Like, I'm here. I'm going to take care of this. I am focused on this now, and I'm going to let this go. And then you say, firemen, we got it taken care of. First responders, I think we're good. Trucks taking the debris out, we're good. It's kind of taken care of. And the energy gets to go back, okay? Then you have more energy for the rest of the healing because it's not all jammed in here. I hope this wasn't too abstract. To me, it was illuminating because it worked well for me. And I'm working on it with my back, with this muscle, and it's helping there so much. I was able to do my stretches this morning. I hope you give it a try. It's so easy to fall into our old beliefs of, I have a cough, so I deal with it with rest and liquids and cough drops, the usual things. But what if there's more to it than that? What if my real understanding is only half there? What if there is a spiritual component? There is an emotional component. It's worth pondering. It's worth experimenting. It's always worth questioning our beliefs. I hope whatever ailment you're dealing with subsides quickly. See you next time.